Good morning. My name is Alex the Vegan, and today I'm going to take you on a journey on what I eat in a day as a fit vegan. You saw what I put in this smoothie. Started off with a triple berry blend, some blackberries, blueberries, and strawberries, and then I moved to the banana. Also put in 3 dates, Majdoul dates, and what else? Added the flax seed powder for the omega-3s, a little bit of the walnuts. Also added the SUNWARRIOR protein. So you just saw the smoothie that I made. Super tasty. If you want to try it, I recommend it, definitely. I'm about to start making another meal right now, so not really going to tell you what it is. I'm kind of just going to go off the fly. I don't even know what it is, to be honest. So there's nothing really to say here, but let's just get moving and get into the kitchen, and then maybe we can just like kind of make something out of nowhere, you know? But like, we'll see, because honestly, I don't even know for sure like if it's going to turn out great. So you guys are going to find out just like I am. We're going to be like finding out at the same time. It's like a live stream pretty much, really, but I'm recording it, so not really a live stream, but like my thoughts are like everywhere right now. So let's just get into this video and kind of get moving, okay? Okay. Let's go dig into this, see how this is. First things first. Alright. So let's try this avocado sandwich. I'm excited. I'll tell you what I think. I have this at work every day. It's like my mid-morning breakfast / snack after I have a bunch of fruits. Super delicious. Wow. So juicy. Avocado just coming out on its own. Letting it be known that it's here, it's in charge. Healthy fats, baby. Wow. Let's make this bite a little better. You don't have to do this, but like if you are enjoying the video, please give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe if you're not subscribed already. I'm gonna have a ton of videos just like this where I just show you exactly what I'm eating every single day, and also have some more like exercise videos and more of the things that I do to stay fit coming soon as well. Let's keep it moving, team. Just one little bite. All that's left. Let's finish this off. What's this? Do this. Oh yeah, that sauce, fire, hot, really hot, but really good. Editing this video. If you guys want to see these what I eat in a days and want to see me. Good morning, team. Sorry I did not film an outro yesterday. I was actually really tired. I didn't go to the gym at all, which is kind of weird. Finished up with a couple snacks I'm going to show you here in a second. This concludes my what I eat in a day. If you guys like this video, please like, share, comment, subscribe. I would really appreciate that. Once again, thank you for watching. And if you guys want to keep seeing videos like this, just stay tuned for the next video. And we'll see you in the next one. Deuce.